Welcome to Financials with Ahau. Today we are going to be speaking about investment, focusing on mutual funds. Mutual funds can be divided into 6 generally, and I'm going to mention each of them with a brief description. First, we look at money market funds. Money market funds typically is an investment in short fixed term securities, and these are just to enable one to have a way of making income. They tend to be low return. Next is fixed income funds. These tend to make income through investment in fixed areas, and this mainly earn through interest. The next is balance funds. This has a mix of both securities and fixed income, and it has a bit of a higher risk where the fixed income usually balances it off. Then there are equity funds, which mainly invest in stocks and shares. Then there are index funds, which tend to follow certain indices, maybe the S&P. This tends to be easy to manage because the research is already done. Then there are specialty funds, which tend to focus on certain industries, maybe education, transport, healthcare, and this then has an anticipated rate of return based on how this particular industry is performing. Now, why do we call them mutual funds? They're called mutual funds because a group of people have their money collated, this money is invested, and this money is managed by a fund manager. And out of this, then an income is expected. Sometimes there is an anticipated amount that will come in, but a lot of this is also pegged on how the different areas where investments have been placed will perform. The benefits of money market funds, for instance, are that it tends to be safe. The benefits of balance fund tend to be it has a higher return. The benefits of equity funds also has an even heightened return because it's principally stocks. But then again, the risk tends to be higher. So just looking at the different types of funds, an investor can be able to tell, as we've been saying all along, what is their risk tolerance, what is their area of knowledge or expertise or interest, what is their area of even potential exploration, because sometimes we invest out of a place of exploring. Then also what is age, because age determines how much risk we're able to take. I'm going to put a link at the bottom where you can read up a bit more on mutual funds and other fund related information, and I trust it will help you on your investment journey as you make the best decisions. It's always a joy to talk to you. It's been a pleasure, and looking forward to the next session. Thank you. It's Ahau.